The energy was different. It was an instant connection. He was an instant match.
That's exactly what we do. Precisely match talents with companies. Let's hear Samiul's experience as an Airwork AI talent.
Hi, I'm Samiul. I'm working at Tekarsh Bangladesh Limited, and I'm working as a business process manager. I mainly deal with business process optimization in my office, as well as working to implement the CEO strategy. My vetting process was a little different as a non-technical position. No coding runs, nothing like that. But it was a short conversation regarding our capacities and my career goals. The process was pretty smooth. It was a very short meeting. For me, it was good experience with their work. The human touch, it was good to have much more one-to-one, much more personal vetting process.
9.5.
Yes, because as I said, the initial vetting process was very smooth. My following interview with Tekarsh was great. We had 3 rounds, went very smoothly, and it was very structured. And I understood the job responsibilities aligned with my career goals. Working, everything is going smooth, and hoping to grow in this world in the future. With local recruiters, if I compare that with their work, the energy was different. It was an instant connection. He was an instant match also. So that was the differentiating factor, I would say, and set it apart from other recruiters. Already I recommend to a lot of my friends within my network. It's an excellent platform. Even we do recruitment in my current company as well through Airwork.